Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. I am very happy today because I will presentation about my on-job training. Before I start, I want to introduce myself first. My name is Irsyad Ahmad Fahrezi from 12mm2 absent 17. My NES is 11925762. I was born in Bandung, 11 May 2004. My skill competency is multimedia. So today, I'm going to talk about my on-job training at PPTIK ITB. So, PPTIK ITB is Pusat Penelitian Teknologi Informasi dan Komunikasi Institut Teknologi Bandung. That location is in Punchlut Street number 516, Ciumbuleuit, Cidadap, Bandung City, Jawa Barat. My mentor on job training is Pak Fitra Disa Pratama, and this is my logo. This is the logo of PPTIK ITB. To start with, I will tell you about Chapter 1, preliminary. After that, Chapter 2, about learning process and outcomes in industry. And the last, I will tell about closing in Chapter 3. Let's begin by Chapter 1, preliminary. In Chapter 1, there are 5 parts. Backgrounds, benefits and goals, a brief history of ITB, company vision, mission, and business fields. First, I will tell you about background. On-job training, in order to produce students who can truly build the nation in the future and have quality and professional creativity, as well as improve student skills. On-job training is in an actual learning process based on the experience during the practice in expertise in the business world or industry. With this, students are expected to gain knowledge about the practical and technical abilities acquired in school. Next, I will discuss about benefits and goals. The purpose of on-job training for students is that the first, to form a good work ethic for students, so that in the future, students are expected to become qualified graduates and useful figures for others. Second, it is hoped that the material that has been obtained so far in the company can be implemented properly. The third is to be able to form a constructive mindset for on-job training students, so you can see future opportunities. Next, I will tell you about a brief history of ITB. The Indonesian government inaugurated and established of the Bandung Institute of Technology on March 2, 1959. The Bandung Institute of Technology was born in an atmosphere full of dynamics, carrying out the mission of science and technology service, which is based on real life on Earth for the life and development of an advanced and dignified nation. After that, I will tell you about company vision mission. The vision is, every Indonesian citizen must be able to take advantage of ICT for the advancement of his life. Every citizen can participate in the knowledge society and the knowledge economy, both benefiting and building it. The mission is, first, build a reputation for world-class research and research. This requires alignment of topics, competence of research, feasibility of facilities, high activity, widespread global partnerships of the field of ICT in research, encouraging the development of commercial entrepreneurship and industrial products in the ICT sector. This is also marked by significant contribution of the ICT sector to ITB's revenue. Next, I will tell you about business fields. The Information and Communication Technology Research Center PPTIK ITB is one of the main research center ITB, which was built in the aim that the public can take advantage of the global spirit of ICT. PPTIK focused on development and application of ICT to transform Indonesian society to a society that have knowledge about ICT. Let's me turn to the chapter 2, learning process and outcomes in industry. There are four parts. There is activities carried out and competencies obtained, problems experienced, factors causing the problem, and troubleshooting efforts. Before that, I will tell you about Blender. Blender is a computer graphic application for producing high-quality image and animation using 3D geometry. This software is used to create animated films, visual effects, 3D printed model, interactive 3D application, and video games. First, activity carried out during on-job training at PPTIK ITB. First, my activity is make a basic Blender video tutorial. In the first month of on-job training, I was assigned to make a video tutorial, basic modeling in edit mode, and mug or glass modeling. This is the picture of my work. Second is make animated video tutorials in Blender. We, on-job training students at PPTIK ITB, were assigned to make one animated video tutorial in Blender software. I myself chose to make Canon animation in Blender software. After that, the tutorial that has been made is uploaded to YouTube. And this is my work of making a Canon animation 3D. Third is making 3D models of buildings in the city of Bandung. Starting in the third month of on-job training, students are assigned to create 3D models of buildings in the city of Bandung using Blender software. There are 99 buildings that must be 3D modeled by students. Of the 99 buildings, divided to 16 students. Each student is required to make 7 3D models building using the Blender software. To see an example of building, students can look directly at the location of the building or view the building on Google Maps or Google Earth. I get 7 buildings that must be made 3D models. There is SMP Negeri 5 Bandung, SMP Negeri 2 Bandung, Paguyuban Pasundan, Lapas Sukamiskin, Galeri Kita, Gabungan Koperasi RI, and Direktorat Keuangan Siliwangi. This is 3 of the example of 3D model that I already made. There are 3D model SMP 5 Bandung, 3D model SMP 5 Bandung, and 3D model Lapas Sukamiskin. I made this in Blender software. Last is join the Blender 3D building model workshop. The students were assigned to take part in a 3D Blender workshop on buildings models. This workshop was conducted using the Zoom application. This workshop will explain about 3D modeling in Blender, including making 3D models of buildings that has been made by students. Several 3D model students are also displayed in this workshop. Next is competency obtained when on-job training at PPTIK ITB. First is knowledge of basic Blender software. Second is knowing the tools in the Blender software. Third is knowing how to make simple animation in Blender software. And last is know how to make 3D building models in Blender software. Next is problem experienced. First is giving assignment that I have not learned at school is make it difficult for me to do the assignment. Second is the schedule to the office is only two a month, so we don't get direction and knowledge when on job training. Third is there is still COVID-19 disease, so on job training students needs to do a swab test if they want to come to the office, and is cost money more, so there is more for online on job training at home. Inadequate device because most students go online for on job training at home, so that the work is their assignment using personal device at home, while the laptop or PC specification are still inadequate. Factors causing the problem is first, on job training supervisor who have or others jobs, so on job training students are rarely monitored. There are so many features and tools in the Blender software, making it difficult for students to do the assignment given, especially for the first time using the Blender software like the students. C, or the last is students are confused with the assignment given. Troubleshooting efforts. First is trying to learn independently about the given task, especially learning the Blender software. Second is go to the office to get an additional schedule in doing assignment if the device you have is inadequate. After that, The last I will tell you about chapter 3 is closing. There is 2 is conclusion and suggestion. The conclusion is, I am very happy to be on job training at PPTIK ITB. That is a new experience for me, but the work I have done I have never learned in school, but it makes me gain new knowledge that I did not learn in school. At first, I had a little difficulty with the work or assignment given, but over time, I was able and used to doing the task assigned by the company. The suggestion is, it is hoped that the schedule given to students can come to their office more often than online at home. Second, it is hoped that the industry will provide more knowledge or task to on-job training students majoring in multimedia according to their majors, for example, photography, videography, video editing, and whatever. It is hoped that the industry will pay more attention to their students during on-job training activities. Finally, the presentation has been completed and it is done. Thank you for watching my presentation. Sorry if there are any mistakes of my presentation. That's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.